Hello everyone. Now I'm going to explain problem number 7 of assignment 6. Here it's been asked to implement the function a to I. So the function takes this a to I function is a function which takes string as an argument and converts the string input string as a integer to an integer and returns the integer. So to convert a string of characters to an integer, each character of that string should be multiplied with its place value and added together to get the resulting integer. So here edge cases of this problem are, what if the string is null? In that case we will have to, that is one edge case we will have to check. If this string is null, we will not convert it. Or if the string contains, second edge cases, if it contains non-numeric characters, then again it will not be able to convert it to the integer, equivalent integer. So this function, which is numeric character, it takes as a character as an input and it returns if it is true or returns true or false depending on if the character is a numeric character. If the character's ASCII value is between 0 and 9, then it will return true, or if it will return false. So this function we are calling from the my to I function. So this code will start this function, which is main function. So this is the string -123, and we are calling this my to I with the string. We are passing this string as a argument to this, and then this function will return an integer that we are assigning to this value variable and that we are going to display. So if the string is null, we will return 0. If then we are going to store the result in the result variable, and we are going to check the sign of the string as well. So with integer I is equal to 0, so I is used for keeping track of the loop iterations. And then if string of 0 is equal to negative, then sign value will be, sign is a variable which keeps track of the sign of this integer or the string. So -1, it will be assigned -1 and I is incremented. So we will be checking string of 1, string of 2, string of 3, like 1, 2, 3, these characters we will be checking in each iteration of this loop. So for each character we'll first check if it is numeric character. So we are calling this boolean function which is returning true if it is a numeric character, or false. If it is false, we will return 0. So in the or else the result is assigned as a 0 first. So in the first iteration, 0 times 10 plus string of I, which is 1 times 10 will be 1 string of I ASCII value will be, and then 0th value will be subtracted, so that we are getting 1 as a integer value there. It's so 0 plus 1 will be 1 assigned to the result, and in the next iteration we are returning sign times result, which is -1. Again in the next iteration we are checking the second string of 2. So if it is this is true, it's a numeric character, so we will result is 1 here. 1 times 10 is 10 plus the character value will be 2 here with this code. So it will result will become 12 now, and then we are, or -12 basically, 12, and then we will go back to the beginning of the for loop. Sorry, this will be executed at the end of this execution of all the iterations of this for loop. Third will be a result will become 12. Third iteration result is 12. 12 times 10 is 120 plus this value of this third character in the string is 3 with this code, and then 120 plus 3, 123 will be returned. Since this is the end of the string, we will come out of this loop, and then sign times result will be returned, which is -1 times 123. So -123 is the value which is printed with this statement. And for this time complexity is order of n, since we are going through each and every character once with this for loop, and n is the number of characters in that string. So this is my function of my a to I, which is taking string as argument and returning the value of integer equivalent value of that string. So thank you so much for watching.